Good evening to you. A fine weekend to come for many of us, some pleasantly warm sunshine, but we are going to see a little bit of mist and fog first things in the morning. Now, we did see some fine sunshine today across the eastern part of Scotland, parts of northeast England and also into Northern Ireland, eventually into some parts of North Wales. And the highest temperature I saw was across in the east of Yorkshire, Bridlington, temperatures highest at 23 degrees. But further south, this band of cloud rather persistent, producing a few spots of rain and showers and some rather drizzly grey weather through South Wales and across towards Bristol. And it's this frontal system here. Now, it is very weak and it's going to weaken further, but this little tail in the west here is going to drift its way northwards, and that may well move north through the Irish Sea during the course of tomorrow. But the high pressure is strong and it's going to build, and that really will affect us through Sunday and into the first part of next week. It's just the far north of the British Isles which may get some rain and some breeze from that front there. Let's take a look at the weather tonight, and most areas will be dry. A few showers in the far north of Scotland, but that drizzly weather will hang on across the southwest in particular, and perhaps move a little bit further north over the western part of Wales. The clear skies across Northern Ireland and southern Scotland and northern England, though, may well allow some quite dense patches of fog to form later on. Temperatures not too low, certainly in the cloudy weather in the southwest and the breezy weather up in the northwest, but we could see 7 or 8 degrees across the southern uplands and the higher ground of northern England. The weekend then starts rather grey in some areas, particularly so down towards the southwest with those patches of drizzle. And that, as I say, is likely to move its way just a little bit further north and through the Irish Sea, along the coast of northwest Wales, through the Llŷn Peninsula, across Anglesey, eventually into the Isle of Man, and possibly by the end of the afternoon onto those eastern coasts of Northern Ireland. But further east, as you can see, it looks like being fine and dry with plenty of sunshine, and really the whole of the eastern part of the British Isles will have a fine afternoon with that sunshine, and pretty warm too, temperatures as high as 22, possibly 23 in one or two sheltered spots. The wind's quite light, but still that breeze in the far northwest of Scotland. On Sunday, the mist and fog fairly general to start the day, and it may linger probably into the mid of the morning in some places, but it will go, and then we'll have some pleasant warm sunshine coming through in most places. Monday, a repeat performance, that early mist and fog, then a fine warm afternoon. Bye for now.
78 Fahrenheit, and it was the warmest day of the year up in Orkney as well. There were areas that didn't see the sunshine, but also were quite warm, 20 degrees in